How to make money during a quarantine, 20 proven methods. Number one is what's up guys, Chris Craze here. Today's video, and of course the big buzz that's going on, how to make money during a quarantine as a 10-year-old. How to make money during a quarantine and as an 11-year-old. How to make money during a quarantine as a 12-year-old or a 13-year-old, or even how to make money during a quarantine as a teenager. We're covering all that right now, but first you got to hit the subscribe button, notification bells, and ding, ding, ding. You know the routine. If you watch this channel, I love that part of the video. Now, jumping straight into this. This is going to be a video on 20 different ways or more how to make money online during a quarantine as a teenager, regardless of what age you are, even if you're not a teenager. All you got to do is watch this channel and these videos because I've covered different subjects in depth. Yes, I have. Transcribing, writing, speech, texting, logo design. I mean, there's so many of them, I can't even keep track of them. Seriously, for the last almost 30 days straight, I've put videos on this channel doing a different method every day. How to start a business, how to make money doing this and that. Whatever the case is, you're going to find it here. All you got to do is watch the videos. I can pop a few of them up right here so you can see. Yes, money is to be made online. Now, the good thing about this is this. If kids are actually Googling, and the trend is up right now, the last video I just did talked about trends and how to make money. I actually put a store up within 24 hours and got $6,000 in sales, just under $6,000 in sales. It's possible. Watch that video here. We'll pop that here and you can see exactly what I'm talking about. Yes, it is possible. Making money online is doable. Now, regardless of what age you are, you got to focus. And I will say this from a professional opinion and educated opinion. Branding and creating a brand is going to be the best thing that you can do here. Now, you have to focus on the brand at some point. Focus on the sales engine up front. You want a product that's viable. You want a product that the market needs. I did this in another video, but I'll recap it here. Want compares to need. A need is easier to sell than a want. People that want something, I want cars, I want nice watches, I want stuff from like Neiman Marcus. By the way, they just went bankrupt. Crazy, right? Now, or they're about to. Who knows? That's not about this video. But moral of the story, wants versus needs. People need hand sanitizer right now. They need masks. They need dispensers for these products. They need that. Now, you're easy to sell these products if there's a need. So bringing something as a solution to solve that problem, to solve that need, to solve that issue is going to put you in a perfect position. So if there's any advice that I can give you, it is doing that. So making a website, I have videos on how to make a website for free. We'll pop one up here, pop it up there. Logo Genie, make a logo, logogenie.net. Yes, Wix.com, Weebly. These are all sites that can do this stuff for free. It's there. So all you got to do is put your mind to it and put the focus to it and stay consistent. With anything, stay consistent. Consistency is the key. Head over to entrepreneurchoices.com. I have a bunch of resources there that will help you out in your journey in becoming an entrepreneur or starting a business or making money online, whatever the case is that you want. There's a link in the description below and that'll help you out. Yes, it is my site. I have to promote that, but this is free information right now, so why not take it? Now, if you're looking at how to make money during a quarantine as a 10-year-old or how to make money during a quarantine, it's like a 13-year-old or a teenager. 13 is a teenager. Teen, get it? Regardless of what age you are, whether you're 30, 13, 50, 60, 190, it doesn't matter. This is for you and it works. If you like using the phone, there's something for you. If you like using the laptop or the computer, there's something for you. I made sure that I covered everything in this 30-day stint of videos that I'm doing. Couple more videos and we're at 30. This video right here, I think we're at like 27 or 28 straight. There's more on the channel, but the case is these videos are for you. I'm doing this not only to keep myself held accountable for making these videos and making my skill better, which I think it's pretty good. Comment below and let me know. Like, dislike, tell me all about it. Now, I do this for you. And I guess this turns into a lesson in itself. quarantine happened. There's a problem. People are losing their jobs. People want work. Some of my companies were hurting from this. Other companies were not. My internet businesses were not. So here I am in the middle. How do I solve all these problems? How do I keep myself held responsible and accountable every day, waking up, shaving like I have to go to work? Because, yeah, I just want to hang out my jams all day, but didn't do it. How do I help other people? Bring information that is secondary to me to other people that don't know it. How do I help other people find better opportunities online? You see here, I solved multiple problems by doing these videos. And I did these videos, and that's why I put these videos out, because it solved multiple problems and it helped me. It helped me, it helped you. You're watching this, you learn from it. Leave a comment below. Let me know what you think. Like, dislike, tell me to go away. Edited version here. So regardless, how to make money during a quarantine as a teenager or as a 13-year-old or a 10, 12, 11. Those were the search terms that came up. So this is trending. You guys do want to know this is good because you're not just playing video games. If you do play video games, record it, educate people, tell other people about it, start a TikTok channel, a YouTube channel. There's many things you can do. Monetize it. Think about how to monetize things in advance. And the last piece of advice before I go, which is our bonus music now. Yeah, I love it, right? Now, if you stop thinking just about money and you start thinking about time and your time investment, the time investment into something is going to outweigh the monetary value of it. Don't get me wrong. Think about money in advance. Yes, money makes things happen, but the time investment and the time is the most important part. Whether you're learning, whether you're going to fail, and I'm going to go on a rampant here, but I'm not. I'm going to stop it because that's another video. So if I have to tell you this, how to make money online during a quarantine, watch the videos on my channel, learn from them, comment, let me know what you like, what you don't like. Be open. I'm open for constructive criticism. Accept criticism and you'll be better off. And focus on the time and the longevity. Fly-by-night scams and MLMs and things like that, those are horrible. They're never going to last. There's a reason they're called pyramid schemes. Don't fall for one of those. I'm Chris Craze. Until next video, comment, like, subscribe, ding, ding, ding. Until next video, I'm out.